How to change country on Xbox account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser, then search Xbox. Click on xbox.com. Log into your account with your Microsoft account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on My Microsoft account in here. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines at the top left. In here, click on your info. After that, in here, scroll down till you find country or region. Click on it. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Again, click on country or region. Then you will find all the countries. Simply click on your country and press on save. After that, it will automatically reload the page and you'll be able to see country or region, which is the new changed one. This is how to change country on Xbox account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.